Are you in the market for some new bar stools? Well, this video is all about these bar stools right here. I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, and then put them in the kitchen and give you guys my thoughts at the end. Now, the seller did send this over to me, so that way I could show you guys what it's all about, and I'm excited to begin. So let's get to it. And there you have it. This is everything that was in the box, and now it's time to assemble it. There you have it. They are assembled and are perfect for what we were looking at in a counter height bar stool. The assembly was a breeze. You just saw me put these together in probably about a half hour for two, so 15 minutes a piece. Sturdy, I'm 200 pounds and I am quite comfortable. And this nice backrest just molds to the lower portion of my back and it just makes me sink into the chair with no issues. So I could go into the counter itself and I am at the perfect height at our bar to eat, to talk, to drink, whatever it might be to use in your house. Go out, grab one today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching.